Top Gun's purely an educational event that we created around about 6 years ago to keep the EPM community informed of developments in the product space and to allow everybody to socialize and network together, meet the people that are actually supporting and making their environments work. As the premier provider of EPM services within the European marketplace, we actually looked around and saw that there were no opportunities for really deep education as far as the EPM space was concerned. And equally, servicing the number of clients that we do across Europe, we saw that there was never really an opportunity to all get together in one time and network and share experience and actually meet the people that you're working with half the time.
What I like about the Top Gun event is that other customers are also presenting at this event and telling their stories on what they do with this application. And beside that, it's a beautiful opportunity to network.
As for the balance of the topics on the conference, I'm actually more interested in the non-technical things, so I really appreciate that it's both technical but also functional and customer stories. And it's especially the customer stories that are really useful for me because you get really practical examples of how people are using the systems and how they've approached projects.
It's important to organise this event because it's a place of getting everyone under one roof who has a shared common interest in Hyperion and EPM. And also you can just make future projects work better. You can learn from each other's experience. You can also see the direction that Oracle are taking each of the products and then plan that into your future implementations.
And this is the 6th Top Gun event, and in this one we're having a functional track, a customer stories track, a technical track, and a training track that runs throughout the entire conference, giving everyone the opportunity to find content that's going to be relevant for them. And of course there's the social events, so everything from the welcome reception, which we typically hold on the first day of the conference, through to the social event that we run this year, of course, in Amsterdam. It had to be a walking buffet on canal cruises, giving everybody the opportunity to connect, talk with each other, have a few beers and enjoy themselves.
As a company, we have a lot of decisions to make, like strategic decisions, like are we going to use DRM, yes or no, cloud, yes or no. I wanted to see what the other people have to say, the other companies, their experiences, and the second is I did want to do some networking.
What I like about this event is that I can learn what is coming out from the Oracle side, and at the same time I can see the experience from other clients. It's the learning curve that you can gain on these events that is really interesting for me on the system side as well as on the networking side, where you meet lots of people that you wouldn't have the opportunity to meet otherwise.
My feeling, obviously, it's going to be the 7th year next year for Top Gun. Obviously, with the announcement of the joint venture this year, with Sukaba and Infratects working closely together and a number of other partners coming together as recognition of the size and the growth of the event, we're expecting that next year will be yet another bigger event, and we will be adding more and more functionality and tracks to the event as we grow. Our expectation is next year to have 200-250 people turning up, so it will be a great event for people to put in their calendars.